May I come in, sir?
आजा बेटी आजा.
Good evening.
लवली साड़ी हो
Good
वेरी.
evening, sir.
बैठो बेटी बैठो. नाम क्या है बच्ची का?
प्राची, sir. प्राची जैन.
प्राची कहाँ की रहने वाली है?
Sir, नरसिंहपुर, मध्य प्रदेश.
नरसिंहपुर मध्य प्रदेश.
Yes.
विच कैटेगरी आर यू फ्रॉम?
Sir, EWS.
इकोनॉमिकली वीकर.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा बेटा कितना पढ़ी हुई है?
Sir,
बीकॉम.
yes.
फर्स्ट डिवीजन.
Yes, sir.
वेरी गुड. भोपाल से.
Yes, sir.
वेरी गुड. एंड योर फर्स्ट, ये कौन सा इम्तिहान दे रही हैं आपने? दूसरी बार कर रही हैं?
Sir, it's third attempt. Second interview.
फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू और सेकंड इंटरव्यू?
Second interview.
पिछली बार कितने नंबर मिले थे?
Sir, it was very low, 140 only, sir.
It doesn't matter. 149. What do you think went wrong?
Sir, I think I was a bit nervous at that time, and I
You are
was
not
not able
nervous
to
now?
communicate my ideas and views appropriately.
You were not able to.
Yes, sir, I think so.
तो बेटा आप तैयारी करके गई थी, जवाब रट के गई थी आप?
No,
कुछ
sir.
तो जवाब रट के गई थी. अगर ये पूछेंगे तो ये किसी आप बोर्ड में गई होंगी, ऐसे ही सिमुलेशन इंटरव्यू में उन्होंने बता दिया होगा.
No, sir. Sir, it was.
What do you think we want to hear from you? मैं आपसे एक सवाल पूछ रहा हूँ.
Sir, I think you want my opinions. What I think.
Should Donald Trump take over Greenland?
No, sir.
Why
not
not?
at all. Sir, it's violation of the sovereignty of any country, and it's violation of international.
ओए मैंने क्या किया था 71 में? घुस गया था बांग्लादेश में. किसकी सॉवरेंटी को वायलेट किया था?
Sir, we have not violated, but we have supported that country
क्या?
in protecting this.
That time it was a separate country already before I went in. क्या बोल रही हैं आप?
No, sir.
It was part of Jihadistan.
Yes, sir. It was part of
उनकी
Pakistan.
सॉवरेंटी को वायलेट किया कि नहीं जो अंदर घुस गया था? 1999 में जो उसने अपने जिहादी भेजे थे कारगिल
Yes,
में, उसने वायलेट किया था कि नहीं मेरी सॉवरेंटी? क्या बोल रही हैं आप?
Yes, sir.
देन ये कहाँ का कानून है? डोंट वायलेट द सॉवरेंटी. वेनेजुएला में सही किया गलत किया?
Sir, it was completely wrong.
Then why hasn't anybody said anything?
Sir, I think what right now is going on is might is right situation, which the people.
Why hasn't anybody spoken up against him? कल ग्रीनलैंड को हड़प करेगा कौन बोलेगा? गाजा को तो ऑलरेडी उसने बोर्ड ऑफ पीसेस नहीं किया, जो भी उसका
Yes,
वो
sir.
बना दिया है.
Yes, sir.
Who's speaking up against it? सारे अरब्स तो घुसे हुए हैं उसमें.
Yes, sir. So, number of countries are saying something against Donald Trump, not in
Which
a.
countries are speaking? There's Russia, China, Iran and North Korea.
Yes.
पांचवा बताओ जो उसकी मुखालफत करता है.
So, not in a direct manner. Any.
और इनडायरेक्ट मैनर, बड़ी होशियार है यार. इनडायरेक्ट मैनर में कुछ बोल रहा है. ये इंटरनेशनल रिलेशंस में ये नहीं चलता.
Yes, sir.
सीधा बोलो.
Yes, sir.
किसके पास ताकत है अमेरिका से पंगा लेने की?
So, right now, seeing the situation, what is going on,
किसके पास ताकत है अमेरिका से पंगा लेने की?
I think, sir, Russia can do, and
टेक
China
पंगा?
also.
टेक पंगा? वेनेजुएला में क्यों नहीं गए? फौज क्यों नहीं भेजी? ग्रीनलैंड में फौज भेजेंगे लड़ने के लिए?
No, sir. They will not.
गाजा में भेजी अपनी फौज पैलेस्टीनियंस की रक्षा के लिए?
No, sir. They haven't.
ईरान को ठोकेगा फौज जाएगी इनकी?
No, sir.
फिर कौन उसको चैलेंज कर सकता है बेटा?
Yes, sir.
ये मल्टीपोलर शल्टीपोलर भूल जाओ. एक ही पोल है दुनिया में. उस पोल का नाम क्या है? अमेरिका. और कौन सा है पोल? लोग बकवास करते हैं जो आपकी मीडिया पे ये जनरल वेलर आके मल्टीपोलर वर्ल्ड. कौन सी मल्टीपोल? दूसरा पोल कौन सा है? अरे सॉरी भूल गया. नेपाल है ना दूसरा पोल? नहीं नेपाल नहीं है. नहीं अर्जेंटीना. नहीं अर्जेंटीना वो छोटा सा द्वीप क्या है? सोलोमन आइलैंड्स वो हैं.
No, sir.
कौन खड़ा होगा अमेरिका के सामने? आप?
I will not be able to stand in front of America, sir.
You think I should? You think India should send troops to protect Greenland?
Sir, India cannot.
Should I send troops or not?
No, sir.
Now I'll ask you why.
Sir, because America is so much powerful right now, sending troops to America would
मैं
affect.
ग्रीनलैंड की बात कर रहा हूँ.
Sorry, sir. Sending troops to Greenland would violate or would deteriorate our relationship with America.
Which I don't want to do. So ग्रीनलैंड को वो हड़प कर जाए मेरे को क्या फर्क पड़ता है? I don't want to spoil my relation. यही कह रही है ना आप?
Number of countries are doing
यही
so,
कह
sir.
रही है ना आप?
Yes, sir.
I should not do it. क्योंकि अमेरिका की रिलेशनशिप मेरे लिए बहुत जरूरी है.
Sir, it's important for many.
मेरे लिए बहुत जरूरी है. मैनी की भूल जाइए. Is it important for me?
Yes, sir. It's important for us.
Forget about diplomatically.
Yes, sir.
Diplomacy means you are straightforward and sincere.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Over to you, sir. आप पहली बार आप बोले. अभी तक तो आप बड़े डिप्लोमेटिकली बोल रही थी.
He is inviting in the Board of Peace. President Trump is inviting Prime Minister Modi also.
Yes, sir.
Do you think he should accept it?
Sir, India can accept, but it have to be very cautious in their approach in adopting or in getting into the Board of Peace, because the President Trump is going to be head of the Board of Peace, and he is known for his uncertainty.
What are the advantages India will have if it accepts? And if it does not accept, what are the disadvantages?
Sir, if it accepts, it mainly related to the Middle East and the West Asia, So it will help India to maintain the stability in the Middle East region, and we have the good trade relations and the other relations also with Middle East.
What does that have to do with Board of Peace? अगर नहीं गया तो मेरी बाकी ट्रेड रिलेशंस खराब हो जाएंगी?
No, sir. But the Pakistan is also going into that. Number of countries are also.
So I decide my foreign policy based on what Pakistan does. क्या बोल रही हैं आप?
No, sir. We decide our foreign policy based on the number of countries, what they do, not only on the
Not
basis
at
of
all.
the Pakistan, sir.
একলা চলো রে, अकेला चलो।
Yes,
यदि
sir.
तोरे दक्षिण को ना आश्चे तो भी एकला। गाना सुना है रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर का?
Yes, sir. I have heard that.
राइट?
Yes, sir.
यदि सबोई थकाए मुख फिराए, सब मुंह मोड़ लेते हैं, तब भी एक अकेला चलो। ये परंपरा है भारत माँ की।
Okay.
तो बाकी देश क्या करते हैं? अमृतसर के छोले खाएं। I'll do what I want. रूस से मैं तेल खरीदता था कि नहीं? अमेरिका ने कितना दबाव डाला, यूरोपियन ने कितना दबाव डाला, मैंने बात सुनी उनकी?
Yes, sir.
मैंने बात सुनी उनकी?
Sir, we have not heard. We need to be firm, but we need to be flexible also, sir.
Flexible in what way?
Flexible in terms of trade relations and in coming up with the new deals with the countries. Like in the Iran case, sir, as America was having certain bad relations with the Iran, and we have the good relation in terms of getting the import of oil.
But we have stopped the import of oil.
Yes,
Why?
sir. That is a kind of the flexibility we have.
क्या फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी? डर गए हम?
I would not.
उसने बोला कि मैं सैंक्शन लगा दूंगा और ठोकूंगा, बंद करो।
Sir, if
उसने
that,
वेवर दिया मुझे 1 साल का, वेवर खत्म हो गया, मैंने बंद कर दिया तेल लेना।
sir, if that is the situation,
That
India.
is the situation.
Sir, I have a bit different opinion.
What is your opinion?
Sir, if
Why
that-
did I stop buying oil from Iran?
Sir, we have stopped because we have the other buyers also, like the Russia, sir. Russia, we are importing.
अरे ईरान कह रहा था मैं $2 पर बैरल दूंगा आपको, रूस से मैं 15 पे लेता हूँ।
Yes.
खरीदना चाहिए मुझे कि नहीं खरीदना चाहिए?
Yes, sir, we should buy, but we are investing in Iran in the other sense also, in terms of
देखो,
Chabahar
मैं सवाल
port.
को जाओ, चाबहार पोर्ट को भूल जाओ, मैं तेल की बात कर रहा हूँ। अगर वो बहुत सस्ते में दे, खरीदूं कि ना खरीदूं?
Yes, sir, we should.
अमेरिका नाराज हो जाए तो?
But it's our policy, sir.
यू थिंक सो? यू कैन टेक ऑन अमेरिका? अभी तो आप कह रही थी कि हम पंगा नहीं ले सकते उनसे, आप कह रही हैं पंगा ले लो।
But India is also important for America, sir, in the same manner.
यार कैन आई टेक पंगा विद हिम और आई कैन नॉट? मेरी ताकत है इतनी?
Sir, not directly, but in the
इनडायरेक्टली कैसे लूंगा?
through the expanding our trade relation with other countries, like we are doing so right now, sir. We
You
are
think so? You think that's going to hurt America? कल वो बोलेगा कि आप मंगोलिया के साथ ट्रेड बंद कर दो, बंद कर दूंगा, मेरा क्या जाता है? नहीं तो कहता मैं 1000% टैरिफ लगाऊंगा।
I think, sir, if it is in the interest of India, India will.
How do I decide? What is your interest to not offend America? आज किस में ताकत है अमेरिका को नाराज करने की?
Yes.
है किसी में?
Not singly, in a single manner, but in a collective manner, number of.
कलेक्टिव मैनर में क्या करोगे? हमला करोगे उस पर?
Again, in the trade scenario, we
यार
can.
ट्रेड को भूल जाओ। जिस दिन अमेरिका चाहेगा आपकी करेंसी को बर्बाद कर देगा। 91 रुपए का हो गया आपका, 91 रुपए टू अ डॉलर।
Yes, sir.
300 तक ले जाना चाहती हो? वो बर्बाद कर देगा। टर्की को क्या धमकी दी थी जब टर्की उछल रहा था ना? ये आधा दरबान जो प्रेसिडेंट है, डोनाल्ड ट्रंप had tweeted in Trump 1.
Okay.
The day I decide I will obliterate, listen to the words, I will obliterate Turkey's economy. I have done it before. अर्दवान आधा दरबान गया, मालिक जूते पॉलिश कर दूं, भोजन पका दूं, बाथरूम साफ कर दूं, माफ कर दो। ये है आपकी ऑटोनॉमी? किसमें दम है? एक चीज होती है अफसाना, दूसरा होता है हकीकत।
Yes.
कट योर कोट अकॉर्डिंग टू द साइज ऑफ द क्लॉथ।
Okay.
राइट बेटा? अभी मेरे में वो दम नहीं है।
Yes.
Okay, last question. Gen Z believes in living in more than marriage.
Living.
What do you say? Is it's a good idea? What do you say? What are the advantages in living in?
Sir, it depends upon the personal choice of an individual. If the person wants to live in and they have the relationship without being get married, then it depends upon their choice only. We are no one to comment on that. But coming to the advantages, it can be the person gain to know about that another person, their spouse, in a beforehand manner. So their relationship can be carried out for a long time. Whereas the disadvantages is the social consensus in terms of live-in relationship. Most time it is a kind of stereotype that is going in the society and the non-acceptance of relationship. And so if it happens that the reproduction happens and a child comes in, then also the child have to go through so many stereotypes. So
I find that it is a very good thing. If suppose the person loves a Muslim girl, Christian girl, tribal girl, he can marry. He can live in. Nobody will interfere. It is nice arrangement, And if child comes, then we can think of marriage or some arrangement. What is wrong with it?
Sir, it's a nice arrangement, but society comes in. And secondly, there is also
And
the
child is not necessary. Gen Z does not believe in too much responsibility and having a cool time. Why child? Why you think of child?
Sir, that is the case.
We have enough population in India.
Yes, sir. We have.
Okay, sir, ma'am.
Okay, Prachi. Programs of government to bring life of ease to women. You list 5 programs.
Sir, we have the Shakti program. In that we have the Sambal and Samarthya Yojana. Then for the education of the women, we have Gati Yojana. Third is again for education, we have Kiran to promote the STEM education. Fourth is related to the POSH Act for in the workplace if any kind of harassment happens to women for that. And the POXO is also related somewhat, it is gender neutral. And the fifth one is related to the Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao.
Rural women, because
Sir-
those crucial programs you have missed.
Sir, reservation?
No, that is there. But what does a lady in village need most importantly?
Sir, Ujjwala Yojana for the LPG cylinder.
Yeah.
And Jal Jeevan Mission is also there, so that the women get the water at the home only. They do not have to go the long places to fetch the water. Jal Jeevan Mission.
Swachh.
Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Yes, sir. Sorry, I
These
missed
are
that.
mainly geared toward the women
Yes, sir.
to make the. And recently during election time, there are many shops being offered, different states. So is that a correct policy?
Sir,
Like recently we had election in Bihar
yes, sir.
and 10,000 rupees per woman.
Yes,
So
sir.
do you support these kind of schemes?
Sir, for the short term, it can benefit the women. Like in MP
Is
also.
this not pure bribing?
Sir, it have the multiple perspective to see it. So on the political basis, if we see it, it can be the vote bank politics or the attraction of the women voters. So it can be a bribing on the one perspective, but it is also helping the utterly marginalized sections of women to uplift themselves.
Okay, very good.
Thank you, sir.
All the best.
Thank you, sir.
My question to you is, what is the pink tax and why does it exist in India?
Ma'am, the pink tax is associated with the products that are used by women and that are taxed. The taxation imposed on that is levied as the pink tax. In India, we do not have the pink tax. I'm not confirmed about it, but the sanitary napkins that the women's use, the sanitary napkins has 0% taxation on it, but the products that are used for making the sanitary napkins, that has the taxation of around 5%. So that is also considered as a pink tax for the women, ma'am.
Okay. And when was the GST removed on the sanitary napkins?
I do not know about the date. I think it would be 2019 or whatever the amendments have come firstly. In that it was
Give me 3 reasons why pink tax exists in India.
pink tax existed. Ma'am, it is because of the inverted duty structure that is going on in the country. That is one of the reasons that on the inputs we have the higher taxation as compared to the output. So that lead to the pink tax. Ma'am, exactly the pink tax, what it mean, I am not confirmed about it.
There is no actual tax as pink tax.
Okay, so I'm
It's
not.
only the difference of, majorly the difference of pricing that on the products that are specifically advertised to women.
Okay.
You happen to lead a campaign on menstrual hygiene in a village nearby. Were there any challenges that you faced there?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of challenges?
Challenges. First one is the embarrassment of the women itself. They were so embarrassed to come in front of us and talk about the menstrual hygiene or the menstruation itself. So we arranged so many women's from the locality. They were the ASHA workers. We also carried out the certain localites and we talked to them. Secondly is about the availability and the accessibility of the sanitary napkins, as there was no shops in the nearby area which can make the sanitary napkins available to women. So that is the second challenge. So we dealt it by the one of the NGO, that is Sukarma Foundation. We levied the setup there and they made the sanitary napkins by themselves. So it's supplied to the women. And the third one is disposal of sanitary napkins that was not available in a good manner there because the Safai Karmacharis also not visited there daily. So for that we contacted to a potter who built up a local pot that functioned as an incinerator, and that was used for the disposal of sanitary.
Do you think in a country like India where tradition and shame goes hand in hand, something like a menstrual campaign, awareness campaign would help change the scenario?
Yes, ma'am. It's a kind of initiation we should do, especially in the rural areas, because so many taboos and these stereotypes are going on related to the menstrual hygiene, and most of the women are not aware about it, that these taboos can lead their life or take their life also.
So my last question is, what exactly is the primary reason for such taboos? Is it the tradition in society? Is it a psychological taboo, a psychological limitation, or is it largely some kind of a social phenomenon?
Ma'am, it's a combination of all things.
No, if you have to name anyone.
Ma'am,
The
it's
first thing.
psychological or the mentality of an.
Okay, ठीक है, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. No, it's done. All the best. Prachi.
So we think you're very good. थोड़ा विकीपीडिया और चैट जीपीटी को कम पढ़ो, और बाकी इंटरव्यूज़ में या बोर्ड जो आपको मॉक इंटरव्यूज़ में बताते हैं उसका भी थोड़ा कम ध्यान दो. कम स्ट्रेट, बी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड एंड ऑनेस्ट. हम ट्रेड बढ़ाएंगे. अमेरिका अगर कल ट्रेड बंद कर देगा, किसके साथ बढ़ाऊंगा मैं अब्जॉर्ब कर पाऊंगा उस धक्के को?
No, sir.
दैट्स द रियलिटी. कहने के लिए देखी है हमने दुनिया की हकीकत, लेकिन दिल के खुश रखने को गालिब ये ख्याल अच्छा है. इसे किसके साथ ट्रेड करोगे? कहने की बड़ी बात है. रूस वाला कहता है मेरे साथ करो, चल भाई खरीद, जो अमेरिका मुझसे खरीदता है तू खरीद. खरीदेगा वो?
No, sir.
These are issues that have to be looked at. It's very nice to say ट्रेड बढ़ाएंगे, ये करेंगे, वो मैं भी वही कहता हूँ. मुझे तो 52 साल हो गए डिप्लोमेसी में. बट यूरोपियन यूनियन बदमाश है, दोगलापन है, चालू है, हिपोक्रिटिकल है. आपका क्या ख्याल है? गोरे पसंद करते हैं भारत को?
नहीं, sir.
Now you have come out clean. Right? The British claimed they were the biggest empire builders, right?
Yes, sir.
We are the biggest empire busters. शुरुआत हमने की थी, तोड़ा हमने था, उसके बाद एक के बाद एक के बाद एक टूटता गया. इतिहास है ये, मैं कुछ कहानी नहीं बता रहा. बेटा, just for your information, there were 565 small and big principalities, kingdoms, statelets in British India. In princely India. British India was Punjab and Bengal. दोनों तोड़ दिए गए, एक उधर गया एक इधर गया. ठीक है बेटा? 565 में से 552 ने बिफोर इंडिपेंडेंस हस्ताक्षर कर दिए थे, वी वांट टू ज्वाइन इंडिया. 13 ने नहीं किए थे. 2 बाद में हैदराबाद विद माय फादर फॉट दैट, एंड कश्मीर को हमने ले लिया, जो दोनों ने साइन कर दिया. बाद में जूनागढ़ उधर जा रहा था, हमने ले लिया, और उसके पास 9 बचे थे. और कलाट बलोचिस्तान वाला नहीं जाना चाहता था, ज़बरदस्ती उसको लिया. इसका क्या मतलब होता है कि उस गोरे को, जो बेवकूफ़ माउंटेन बॉटम को गवर्नर जनरल बेटा. बाकी सब 552 देशों ने जो एक्सेशन, इंस्ट्रूमेंट ऑफ एक्सेशन साइन किया, इट सेड द इंडियन गवर्नमेंट शुड एक्सेप्ट. तो माउंटेन बॉटम ने बोला आई एक्सेप्ट. कश्मीर ने जो साइन किया लिखता आई एक्सेप्ट सब्जेक्ट टू अ रेफरेंडम टू द पीपल. ये षड्यंत्र था, हम फंस गए. समझिए मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? ये माउंटेन बॉटम का षड्यंत्र था, फंसा दिया हमें. और किसी के लिए नहीं कहा, ये सिर्फ कश्मीर के लिए क्यों? सोचना कभी, कश्मीर की अहमियत क्या थी? किस पे नज़र रखते हैं कश्मीर से? चाइना पे, सोवियत संघ पे, अफगानिस्तान पे, भारत पे. कुछ समझ आया?
Yes.
तो गोरे पे भरोसा करोगी?
नहीं.
टेकर इन द सर्विस, विदेश सेवा में ले आओ इनको. तो बेटा थोड़ा अपना दिमाग इस्तेमाल करो. यू आर वेरी गुड, एंड इन इंडिया वी वांट मोर वुमेन इन आवर. यू आर मच बेटर देन मेरे जैसे लोग. ऑलराइट, गॉड बी विद यू.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.